Imam al-Ghazali said, what did he order? Indeed, the existence of Allah Ta'ala is known about His exalted personality with what? With minds. In other words, a person with an iota of intelligence understands the existence of Allah because his works point to Him. The work cannot be done without authority. Art cannot exist without a master. No chair, table, rally is created without a master. Therefore, each work actually refers to its creator. And then he points to the master who made him for a reason. But what does he command? Because Allah Ta'ala is the one who created everything with its raw material. So how does a man rebel against Allah? Let's say rebellion, heedlessness. A man forgets and follows his ego. So how can he deny Him? Yet there is a verse in everything. What does that verse do that Allah is one? It proves. I mean, sometimes a person watches these documentaries. They are so strange. When he follows the documentaries, there are forests, animals, sea creatures, forest creatures, some islands. The animals on those islands do not appear in other places in the world. What strange animals and creatures? What kind of thing is that? If it is an animal that digs sand, he has created a special curtain for its eyes so that sand does not get into its eyes. If its ear gets into the sand, it has a special curtain in its ear too. Adaptation. Which is the animal of which climate? Where will it live? What will it do? According to there, He gave that feature. He created, equipped. He appreciated it. Appreciation means everything is measured, shaped, calculated inch by inch, second by second. Nothing is random. What do you mean He guided? It means Allah guides a newborn baby to breastfeed its mother. Does that mean He has studied in a school how to suck that milk? It takes a force to pull it, to suck it. It requires an operation. It's a newborn. You go to the doctor. You do something to heal. The dentist says, open your mouth. You can't open your mouth. He says, pull out your tongue. We are reversing our language. He says, pull your tongue back. We're moving it forward. And now I go to the doctor sometimes. He says, pull back. So it went forward when I wanted to pull back. He says, to stick it on the upper palate, and I stuck it underneath. We all think we are smart. A newborn child can perform this activity easily. What is he doing? He is guiding that baby to that work. You are a newborn. If you don't suck this, you will die. So he is guiding him. He guides in the womb. The mother cannot interfere with the feeding in the womb either. She can't interfere with your stomach. The doctor also cannot interfere.